So, the moment you've all been waiting for. So, usually on my page, if I pull down, Creator Portal will pop up and I'll be able to like go straight to Facebook to request verification from there. I believe you can get on Facebook and find it. I'm not sure where it is, but I'm going to show y'all from Instagram right now since it's not popping up when I pull down. So you go to your settings, you hit the little hamburger thing in the corner, you go to your settings, you go to account, and you go down to request verification. So on here, you put your full name, put your document type. I put national ID card. You can put your driver's license or passport or whatever, tax ID, whatever. You choose the file, you click on the thing and you go through your phone and find your ID. So it's good to take a picture of your ID before you even do this. So it'll be right there at the top. You choose a category. I chose digital creator, blogger, influencer. So then you choose your country. Typed in United States. I didn't do the audience thing. It's optional. Now on known as, I put my real name and my artist name. One, because you can find different things under both names. And the article that I used to get verified has both names in it, so they both pop up. Okay, so for the first link, I used other. So I typed in my Google link, basically the link that when you Google my name, it goes to the home screen and shows everything about me, my music and all that stuff. So the second link, I used news article. I typed in the link that I got from Free Press Info. They got my article in the news section, and I believe that is very important for your article to be in the news section. And he is the only person that I know that knows how to do that. So that would be a great person to contact. I'll put the link to him, his Instagram, in the description. So the fourth link, I put my Facebook. So I put social media. I put my Facebook. My Facebook is verified. It's important to verify your Facebook first, because then it'll be easier to verify your Instagram. If you verify your Facebook first and put your link in the when they ask you right here, put your link right here, they'll be like, oh, he's verified on Facebook too. So then I thought I only put 3. No, I put 4. I put another link. I put the link to my Vero account, because I'm also verified on Vero. So I put 2 social media things, 1 news article, and my Google link. And that's it. I submitted it, and that was that. It went through. I got it within a few hours. And that's it.